Hi, Zach Pater here, River Valley Marine in Red Wing, Minnesota. Wanted to give you a quick video walk around here. This is a 2002 Glastron GX 205. A very good looking boat. Gonna give you just a quick video walk around to the outside and the inside. It is paired up with the trailer here. Good looking overall custom trailer. Work our way on the outside of the boat. You've got nice forest striping going down it. You've got kind of some pretty casual but nice looking additional graphics going down it. A Bimini top, which is very nice. It also has a full boat cover. Stainless steel cleats, full windshield. Work your way to the front. You can see it's got the folding tongue. It allows you to get a little more room in the garage there. Look at the boat from the front and you can see they carry that boat nice and wide all the way forward, and it does run on a nice deep V hull. Work your way down the other side of the boat. You got the midship cleat there. I do like how they do those stainless grab rails and they're molded in. Those look pretty darn cool. Work your way on the other side of the boat. You've got the spare tire, chrome wheels, just an overall good looking package. We'll hop inside the boat, but first let's look at the swim platform. You do got a nice little ladder there that can flip up. Volvo powered 5-liter GL, if I remember right, or GS, the 220 horse motor there. Swim platform, grab ladder, ski tow eye. I like how they offset those cleats so they're not hanging over the side of the boat. They're upright, just kind of some neat little features. Work our way inside the boat, and it's a very roomy boat, and we got to start right back here with this nice big sun pad. Lots of room back here covering that motor compartment. But as you enter the boat, it's pretty unique. You got this full U-shaped seating area, something you really don't find in a 20-foot boat. Snap in, snap out carpeting and the twin bucket seats. Like I said, for a 20-foot boat, it's exceptionally roomy. Nice big bucket seats, both with flip-up bolsters. Work your way to the back. You've got that full U-shaped seating. They do a nice job with their upholstery. Their fit, finish, and attention to detail seems nice. Storage under the seats. Some flip-out cup holders underneath. Just a nice layout for a used 20-foot boat. Work our way over to the dash area. It's an area that obviously Glastron spent some time on to make look pretty darn sharp. Good looking offset there. I like how they do the little built-in visor over the gauges to keep the glare down. You do have tilt wheel, 12-volt outlet. Tucked underneath there is a cup holder, which is kind of nice because it's out of the wind. Just a good looking overall dash setup. Work your way to the other side. You've got a glove box, kind of a matching patterning there. Your stereo head unit, stainless grab rails, and again a cup holder underneath, and you do have tuck under side storage. Work our way to the bow of the boat, and this is where, when I said if you look at the boat from the front, it stays very wide, very far forward, and that really shows true. The front of this boat's very wide, a lot of room, nice seating. Again, that's something I really didn't focus on or talk about, but the seats in this boat are actually in really nice shape. I didn't see anything for major rips or tears. Again, those inset grab rails that are molded in, cup holders, just a good looking setup. All right, before we exit the inside of the boat, let's take a look at the motor compartment because it's pretty cool. It's very big, it's very open, and again, a 20-foot boat powered with a 5-liter V8 is a nice power package. It is the 5-liter GL, not the GS. Battery's easy to get to, a little bit of storage, trim pump, just a nice overall setup. So that there is a quick video walk around of this 205 GX Glastron, a good looking overall setup. Again, I am Zach Pater here at River Valley Marine, River Valley Power and Sport in Red Wing, Minnesota. I appreciate you taking the time to view our video. If you have any questions or would like to set up a time to view, please call, text, or email at any time. And I appreciate you taking the time to watch our video.